you gonna do after this war?
If I live throughout this, yes, I'll just go home with my family and continue my life or my work as a baker. So, what will you do after this war?
Well, might as well look for the love of my life. I mean, all this war and nonsense can take a toll on you. You can only live once. That's what I heard. And you might as well live it to the fullest. Alright, it's good. Being cold.
Damn it, when in the end, they won't stop coming! Grenade! Don't become a beggar. You promised me that, bastard. Wake up! Bastard. Let's go. Take it there.
Dutch, is that you?
The only one, man.
By the way, Dutch, I just want to thank you for dragging me across the field, knowing yourself that you're also going to die.
You promised me a croissant. But it tastes good.
Everything hurts, even my leg.
That's the point for a grenade. And I just hate this damn place. Why? It's been cold, dirty, muddy. Just why?
Exactly. It's been 3 days since we've got a proper treatment. They haven't changed my bandage. It's been dirty and bloodied.
At this point, bullets won't kill us, man. It's this dirty. It's the dirtiness of this. It's simply disgusting. Just end it. Why did we even continue with this war? Son of a.
Dear Miss Nightingale, I hope that you are a very good nurse with a lot of ideas to help patients. Many British soldiers are fighting in the Crimea War. When they are wounded, they are taken to the hospital near the battlefield, and they have no nurses to help these poor soldiers. Could you train nurses and bring them here to help? This will be a difficult job, but you are needed desperately. We hope you will say yes. Yours sincerely, Cindy Herbert, Secretary of War.
What is this place? It's so dirty. And their bandages, they haven't been changed. Look at the soldiers, and one is laying on the floor.
Yes, the floor is wet and stinky. There are rats and cockroaches everywhere. They smell so bad.
And the room is too dark. It looks like a prison rather than a hospital. I agree. The soldiers really need our help, Miss Nightingale. What should we do, Miss Nightingale? Listen very carefully, or I will save his only bodies.
On the next day, Nurse Grace and Nurse Catherine, they sweep the floor, throw away all the rubbish, scrub the walls and floors, and make everything sparkle, just what I said and what I told them. There must be nowhere for germs to hide. So I also let them clean bandages for these soldiers and burn those dirty bandages. We changed those filthy, dirty sheets for freshly washed ones. And I also told them to bring clean water for these soldiers to drink and good plain food for them to eat. I really love how diligent and industrious Nurse Grace and Nurse Catherine. That's why I'm so happy to have them both by my side, helping me help these poor soldiers, which is only part of our job, but I like that we love to change the environment for their fast recoveries. Within weeks, my nurses had transformed the hospital by keeping everything clean, tidy, and organized. We made sure that the soldiers no longer suffered, and many more got better and were able to go home. I knew that my ideas would work. Being clean, tidy, helps to stop germs from spreading.
Ma'am, can I please know your name?
My name is Catherine.
Catherine, huh? That's a nice name. Hey, Johnson. I think I found her.
Nighttime could be a sad and lonely. That's why I'm here to give you light. I hope that part with you will give you comfort.
Then the soldiers started to call me the lady with the lamp.
When I am no longer even a memory, just a name, I hope my voice may perpetuate the great work of my life. God bless my dear old comrades, and bring them safe to shore. Florence, Nightingale.
Since the 19th century, the nursing profession has changed drastically. Heavy workloads and less time for people. Raise your lamp.
Go.
Look at the soldiers, and one is laying on the floor.
Ako na ba?
Ay, ikaw na!
1, 2, 3, go.
The soldiers really need our help, Miss Nightingale. What should we do?
Jefferson, is that you?
Only me, baby.
Gusto makita ko nakahiga na to sa gilid. Tapos gising na siya. God damn it, Johnson! Wake up! Ito lang. Parang sobra ko pa.
Ako yung napagod sa kanya.
Ikaw sobra ko pa. Siguro mga dito banda.
Look at the soldiers, and one is laying on the floor.
Yes, they are wet.
Authenticity, bro. Authenticity. One dried up blood naman.
You heard that too. Sa damit. Pwede.
Hindi, andun naman siya, parang siguro rugged naman siya, tapos ano, mukhang ganyan. Hanap tayo ng CR dito.
Oo, dun sa ano, mga nebo. Ay, kita kayo duguan. Tara, isugod tayo sa ona. Tapos makapag ano na tayo. Shoot.
Ganyan na tayo. One dried up na.
Okay na?